Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your PayPal account fast and easy with a few simple steps required only. If you'd like to learn all sorts of ways to create money online with no experience or skills needed, please subscribe to my channel now and click on the bell notification icon so every time I will publish a brand new content you will get notified. So guys, let me show you very quick now. As you log to your PayPal account, if you don't have one, I have another video I did about exactly how to do it, and then you can search it in the description. I put the link over there. All you need to do is to click on wallet. Then after you click on wallet, you click on link a card. You will have this screen, and then you need just to put your credit card number, follow these fields, and then you click on link a card. You will have to wait between 2 to 3 business days in order to see the PayPal charge on your credit card statement, and it will look something like that. Then all you need to do is to take this 4-digit code and paste it to the PayPal confirmation screen, which will look like that. And then your bank account will be connected, and this is exactly how you verified your PayPal account. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you a lot and you've managed to verify your PayPal account. And if you like this video, and if you want to shift from a consumer mindset, which means you're using PayPal to buy things online, and start to make money online using PayPal as your main money receiving platform, so you can utilize the internet in order to create an online income which is completely yours. So please subscribe to my channel now, because I've got an awesome videos coming out soon, and if you click on the bell notification icon right now, I'm going to make sure you won't miss that videos, because every time I will publish a brand new one, you will get notified. And actually, I'm inviting you now to learn the first way and the easiest one. You don't need any skills or experience in order to start and make a lot of money online today with this method. So please check this video right now, and I'm sure you will love what you are going to watch. Thank you guys, see you on the next video.